Once on a plate, so round and sweet, a cookie sat still, what a tasty treat. But just as the hand reached out to play, zoom, the cookie ran away. Catch me if you can, I'm the fastest cookie in the pan. Round and round I'll roll all day, nobody can stop me, I won't stay. It rolled past milk with a splishy-splash sound, leaped off the table and bounced to the ground, over the chair and under the broom, zooming and zooming right out of the room. The dog said, "Woof, I'll eat you whole." But Cookie laughed, "I'm on a roll." The cat went, "Meow, come back, come back." But Cookie zoomed off down the track, through the kitchen, out the door, past the shoes left on the floor. Neighbors shouted, "What a sight! A cookie's running left and right." The sun looked down and the wind said, "Whee!" Cookie rolled fast by the big oak tree. The birds flew down and chirped, "Hooray! A runaway cookie is here today." But soon the cookie began to slow. Its crumbs were falling row by row. Maybe it sighed, "I've run too far, chasing the clouds and chasing the stars." A little child said, "Don't be shy, I'll keep you safe, just give a try." Cookie stopped rolling, tired and round, back on a plate it finally found. Now every night when snacks are near, the cookie whispers soft and clear, "Eat me gently, don't delay, for tomorrow I might run away."